I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming physical connections and power so you don't chase phantom problems. Once done, open sound settings from the system tray or setting sound. That's where Windows or Mac OS lists active devices. You should immediately set the output device to the hardware you want and move master volume to a safe baseline, about 50–70%, so adjustments are audible but not harmful. Make sure exclusive mode is off if using multiple apps. This prevents one app from locking audio. Now you refine the audio path. You'll open device properties to adjust channel balance, choose the output sample rate, 44. 1 kHz versus 48 kHz, and review enhancements. Sometimes disabling virtualizers or boosts fixes distortion. Next, open the volume mixer or each app's audio settings to set per app levels so one program doesn't drown out others. If you use USB or Bluetooth devices, check their driver sample rates and make sure the selected device matches what apps expect to avoid clicks and pops. Finish by addressing system-level fixes you can't see. You should update or roll back audio drivers in Device Manager, reinstall the OEM audio package, and check Windows audio services are running. Once done, test sound in a clean user profile to isolate configuration issues. If problems persist, try a different output device or an external DAC to rule out hardware failure. One key troubleshooting tip: reboot after driver changes, and if that fails, boot to safe mode to determine whether third-party software is interfering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.